Hi, welcome to Asiash Handmade channel. We will make super easy magic loops in this video. Let's start. Take your yarn and create a loop. Hold the end of the yarn with your fingers and wrap the working yarn around it to form a circle. Make sure the working yarn is crossing over the tail yarn to create an X shape. Insert your crochet hook under the first strand of the loop, the one closest to you. Grab the working yarn, the one that goes to the ball, with your hook and pull it through the loop. You should now have one loop on your hook. If your pattern requires a chain 1 or 2, depending on your project. Now I will make chain 1. Now, work the required stitches, like single crochet or double crochet, into the loop. Make sure to crochet over both strands of the loop for stability. I will make single crochet. You can find my how to make single crochet video link in the description. After you've completed the desired number of stitches, pull the tail of the yarn to tighten the loop. This will close the center of your circle. Proceed with your pattern as instructed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.